Let's talk about Blackjack as an analog for the market and counting cards as an analog for technical analysis. Blackjack is a casino game where you place a bet and you collect cards and you try to get a combined card score of 21 without going over. The dealer's also playing. They're trying to get as close to 21 without going over. And ultimately, whoever has the bigger card score wins the pot. So just like the market, Blackjack on its own is simply luck. We have no control over the prices that we're given. We have no control over what cards we're given. It is completely up to chance if we are making uninformed decisions. Now, card counting is a lot like technical analysis because it allows us to plan for potential outcomes by better understanding the market conditions. In the case of counting cards, and I'm no expert on counting cards, you would generally assign a point system to cards that are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you assign a minus point system to face cards or tens. You keep a running total, and you use that running total to your advantage by understanding the most likely outcomes of your next draw. If you have a high card count, it means that most of the smaller cards, the 2s, 3s, and 4s, have already been in play, so you're more likely to draw a face card than you would have without keeping track of what's going on. This allows you to plan for potential outcomes and have more informed decisions about what's going to be coming up from the deck. It allows you to adjust your risk profiles based on the conditions that are present, and it allows you to make better decisions overall in your game. Counting cards and technical analysis are a means to profit from the odds. It's not predicting, it is profiting from odds. A better understanding of what can be expected based on the conditions that are present.